In this TidyCal review, I'm going to walk you through on how to use TidyCal. So what is TidyCal? TidyCal is actually a simple booking platform where you can actually schedule meetings, and after that you can actually share the link, and then they can actually book the meeting from the link you provided. Let's take example, if you're actually a dentist, you can actually embed the link through your website where your patients can actually book the meeting. Of course, this works in any other industry. So let me show you on how to book the meeting itself. Okay, this is actually the meeting which actually been done by TidyCal, where your client can actually just press book now. Okay, and they can actually just select the dates, put in the timing, and put in your name and your email, and just book event. Okay, so once they actually book the meeting, they will actually receive an email, and they can actually add into their Google Calendar, Outlook, Office 365, or Yahoo Calendar. Okay, they can actually schedule or cancel the meeting itself. Okay, so this is actually how you actually book the meeting with TidyCal. So why not I'm going to bring you to the back end on how to, bring you to the back end of TidyCal. Okay, so this is actually the back end of TidyCal. So this is actually you can actually take a look at here. That's actually booking type. Okay, what type of bookings you actually have. Okay, and the bookings. Okay, so this is actually the schedule which I did earlier on. You can actually view upcoming booking, past booking, cancel booking, and all booking. So what you can do is actually you can actually reschedule the booking, or you can actually cancel the booking, or you can actually view details of the booking. Alright, so there's also integration. Okay, so you can actually integrate with Google account, your Office 365 or Apple account. You can also add an online video conference as well. There's also integration of PayPal and Stripes, and some automation for Zapier, and some API integration as well. Okay, so let me show you on how to do the booking itself. Okay, so all you need to do a booking is just create new booking type. Okay, put in the event name. Let's take example of dental booking. So the event link is actually created. Add some description. You can actually insert the event duration on minimum meeting padding, how far the user can book, and you can actually select the dates, or like Sundays are unavailable. You can actually select all the dates. You can actually ask questions. Okay, if after the booking you can actually do a redirect URL. Okay, so after that you can just create booking type. Okay, so then now in order to view your booking, just go to booking types. Okay, so this is actually the booking which I did earlier on. You can actually embed into your website. You can actually copy and embed to your website, which I actually mentioned earlier on. You can actually delete it, or you can actually edit it. Okay, this is actually TidyCal. It's very simple, it's very clean, and it's very simple to use. It's very friendly. Okay, so it's actually an AppSumo product. Okay, so right now it's actually a one-time fee of $29. That's actually $29, actually no monthly fee. Okay, I will actually leave a link below if you want to use TidyCal. Okay, this is actually affiliate link which doesn't cost you any money at all, which actually help to support this small channel. So go ahead and do the purchase using my link. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my video and remember to hit the notification bell. So to the next video, thank you, goodbye.